Our trip starts in Puigcerdá, where we take the open-top train jaune to Planes. Here, after a 1.5 kilometre hike, we stay in a charming gîte d'étape for our first night. Our first full day of hiking takes us up to Col Mitja at 2,367 metres, a high mountain pass with spectacular views. We then have a steep descent to stay in the simple Ras de la Carranza mountain hut. Our third day, although shorter in distance, still takes us high up to 2 cols with superb views looking down over Mantet. A long, steep descent takes us to the village of Mantet, where we receive a really warm welcome in our charming gîte d'étape. The fourth day is our longest day, but has by far the best views. After climbing up through the woods, the path opens out to give panoramic views all around. This day is significant because we cross the border from France into Catalonia, and we get to imagine what it felt like for Chalky in 1943. Another steep descent takes us to Setcases, where we stay in a delightful hotel for the night. The route Chalky took from Setcases to Campredon is now a paved road, so on our final day we take an alternative route higher up through woods and meadows. We descend to Villalonga de Ter and then follow the Ter River to Campredon. We pass through La Roca, a beautiful village built on a huge rock. We eventually reach Campredon, where we pause for a group photo by the famous Pont Nou Bridge built in the 12th century. A short bus ride takes us to Ripoll, where our journey ends.